Good morning guys. Good morning. So for today's video, time check muna is 2:12 in the afternoon. Actually off ko ngayon. Panay tulog ko pag off ko talaga. Pero for today, I decided na mag-gym ng mga 2:30 in the afternoon. But I think there's a lot of people na pag ganitong oras. Kasi normally nag-gym ako sa 24-hour fitness is midnight pag day off ko since trabaho ko is night shift. So yung gabi para sa akin yun yung umaga ko. So normally pag day off ko nakapag-gym ako ng 12 midnight kasi yun yung time na walang masyadong tao. I try na kasi mag-gym ng 9:30 in the morning. Act to be like a normal human being. Pero daming tao guys, grabe. Dito kasi yung gym, yung 24-hour fitness dito sa may Auto Mall. Para siyang Pure Gold. Actually mas malaki pa siya sa Pure Gold dyan sa Pilipinas. Pero grabing tao, sobrang dami. Napupuno siya. Alam ko na pag maraming tao kasi yung parking lot parang mall, napupuno niya yun. But wala akong choice. I have to go to the gym. So, ay kisabay na lang. Pero for today, I was planning na mag-gym ng mga hapon. Just wanna try. Now, it's already 2:14 so I have to prepare. Pero today, mag-gym ako dito sa Newark. Sa Newark naman, actually malapit lang din sa akin. It's about 15 minutes away from where I am right now. So let's see. Itong gym na to nasa mall naman siya. So let's see and try. Na-try ko na doon mag-gym ng midnight. Okay naman siya. A little bit maliit lang siya ng konti. Pero let's see. It's time to shower. See you in a bit, guys. Bye.
2,000 years later.
I'm back! So, katatapos ko na mag-shower and nakapag-prepare na din. Then we're gonna just take supplements bago mag-gym. Since medyo mataba ako, malaki tiyan ko, I always wear black. Alam nyo guys, itong shirt ko, sa TikTok lang to. But it's not cheap though. It's kind of expensive. But it's okay. At least, ang mahalaga, you like it, you love it, and you think bagay sa'yo, then it's not about the price. It's about basta. Since mag-gym tayo, I always wear this. Alam niyo, gustong-gusto ko to. Look. Pamay na lang, guys. Let's wear this. And now, it's time to gym. Simple lang forma ko. Ganito lang. And shorts. My iWatch. I changed the band. Change ko to. Yung iWatch band ko. Ganito lang. Mataba. Kasi marami akong variety of Apple Watch band. Kasi ito this is Ultra. Ultra 2, yung black nila. So I got this one from Amazon. Baka gusto niyo rin bumili. But this is good though because this is cheap. See? There's a lot of variety colors. Red. Then this one. Tapos may cover din siya guys. Meron din siyang ganito. Meron din siyang cover. Parang ganito. Na hindi siya magasgas. So, yeah. I think this is $20 if I'm not mistaken. It's not bad for this one. Rather than you're gonna buy piece like $20 or something like that. I'd rather have this. It's nice though. since nakapag-prepare na tayo, let's go to the gym. See you there. Hi guys, just to update, nasa car na ako. And I was thinking if I'm gonna go to Newark or if I'm gonna go to the one I always go, which is Automall, the 24-hour fitness. But for sure talaga, sobrang daming tao na ngayon kasi today is Monday and time check is 3:41 PM. And for sure, marami talagang tao. Pag lumalabas talaga ako ng ganito kainit, tsaka ganito may araw, hindi pwedeng walang glasses, hindi pwedeng walang sunglasses. I like this one. This one is LV. See, makikita ba? Yeah. So this is from Louis Vuitton. Sponsor to, hindi sa sponsor guys. Yeah, this is from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, pamay na lang guys. So I don't know. I was thinking, but I want to try to go to the mall nearby my house, pero for sure kasi both kahit saan ako magpunta maraming tao. So I'd rather go sa sa gym na lagi kong pinupuntahan, which is sa may Automall. Let's go. I'm gonna update you guys. See you in a bit. Bye bye. I'm back. Pero di nyo ako makikita kasi nakaharap doon yung camera ko. I'm just using my cell phone. I have my DJI but I didn't charge it. So I decided to go to Automall 24-hour fitness, the gym that I always go. So see you there in a bit. And by the way, I'm using my truck. This is kind of old na, but I still love it. This is my Ford F-150. It's a V8. Lumalamo ng gas, pero I still love it. I like it. The drive, yung bilis niya, I love it guys. I love it. So this is Fremont. As you can see, this is Fremont. This is where I stay, and then this is also where I work. Sa area na to, sa Fremont lang din. So from my house to my work, it's only about 10 to 15 minutes away. Yeah, so this is the park. Ito yung tinatabi nila na Lake Elizabeth. Just a park. But since I'm here, I never been there. Kasi lagi ako nasa bed, nakahiga, tulog. Para akong Dracula. So yeah, this is Fremont. See you in a bit guys. Bye bye. So ito yung gym. I'm back guys. So ito yung gym na sinasabi ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. So this is the 24-hour fitness. And that's the parking. Yan yung gym. This 24-hour fitness. So medyo madami na talagang tao. So madami na nga. Ayan 24-hour fitness. So now, wala tayong choice. We have to work out. So pagtyagaan na natin. See you in a bit guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So what happened is, halo-halo na lang yung program ko kasi
when I get there, like what I said, pag ganong oras talaga, sobrang daming tao. Kahit gaano kalaki yung gym, sobrang daming tao. So ang ginawa ko na lang is basta nag-gym na lang ako, halo-halo na lang. Kasi kung if I'm gonna follow my program, mag-aantay ako na mag-aantay, natutuyo yung pawis ko, tinatamad na ako. So kung ano yung available na machine, I'm just gonna use it and then that's it. So my plan is I'm just gonna work out later, siguro mga midnight, kasi yun talaga yung time ko. Gusto ko lang i-try to wake up and to be a normal human being. Normal human being. Kasi normally gym ko is midnight talaga. So for me, yun yung ano ko, yun yung talaga yung morning ko, since I work night shift like what I said. So mahirap. And then dami talagang tao. So ang ginawa ko na lang, I just bumili na lang ako ng bread and Wingstop para dinner ko later. Kasi time check, it's 5:48 PM. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna go home and relax, watch TV, and see you on my next video. By the way, my name is Arnold. Don't forget guys to follow my Facebook account, and then soon, actually meron na akong YouTube channel, but I'm not used to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna try my best. See you soon guys. Ciao.